here is me speaking in Italian. I removed the voice and said it in English so you could have a real-time explanation as well. So the first thing that I noticed is that the partners should be CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. But in both CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, BXS, their coin, does not exist. And it's strange. It should have been already been updated since they have the staking thing and other stuff. But they could still be at the beginning of the phase. So that was the original withdraw page, and now they update it, and I will show later how to do it. By the way, when you get there, you will need to put your email number and your phone number, and these are some strange information. I mean, if you are the super secret person, you shouldn't put it, but I don't care, so I put it and I claim the BXS. For the claiming things, it was after the 2nd of September, and for claiming the Bxie, you need to press there, and you need to pay a small fee of around, it was for around 40 cents, so 0.0001 BNB. So it took me about a couple hours to receive it in the inventory, but doesn't matter now. We are at the last day to the airdrop, and I made some realizations, so stay tuned till the end of the video. Today is the last day to claim the airdrop, and to do that, they changed the home page, so now you have to go to the marketplace and to your account on the top right, and then on airdrop and presale on the left. And here you can claim your BXS airdrop. Then you can go to the staking part, so staking, and here are the possibilities. So you can stay for 14, 30 or 90 days. I already staked it for 90 days. You first will need to approve it, and they will ask you a small fee in BNB. I think it's around 15 cents, yes. So 0.00033 BNB. I don't care for the BLP, so I just reject it. You have to approve it, and then you can stake it. So you put your BXS, and then you will pay another fee of around 30 cents. If you have invested, I suggest you that after a while you can claim your BXS and stake it again on the staking part. But guess what? Every time you claim and stake again, you will need to pay the small transaction fee. So here is almost 1,000, so around 27 cents. So I really suggest you to not stake and claim unless you have enough money to pay for the transaction fees. And here is where I got skeptical, because the advantages of Bixies against Axies is that is much cheaper. But I mean, lower fees in Axie Infinity. If you want to buy anything, it has zero cost in commissions, because now that they changed to the Ronin chain, yeah, you have to pay everything with Ronin, and now that they are still at the beginning, guess what? You pay zero Ronin, so you pay nothing to do any single transaction. And I talk with experience, because I put one Axis for stake, and I paid nothing for the transaction because they asked me zero Ronin to make it. So it's false that this is cheaper, because how can it be cheaper than nothing? Also, for the invitation system, it's common to get free money if you refer people to join the game. And about the great potential, it says that Axie market cap is above 34 billion USD. But first of all, the market cap of Axie Infinity is 4 billion. Is 4 billion euro, so around 5 billion USD. And I know it has got down quite a lot, but still it is not as much. And even if it was 34 billion, it doesn't matter. You are a rival of Axie Infinity, and it doesn't matter how much your rival is great. If you are not great, then it doesn't matter. So this just makes no sense. This is yeah, no care, and this is false. Also, regarding the roadmap, now we are in phase 4, because there is the staking, there is the where is it? There is the swap, which is this one, which is not really great swap. I mean, you can just swap PNB and BXS, and there is nothing more. There is no phase 5 or phase 6. While in other projects like ADO, which I'm currently trying to guess if this is the right time to invest. You can see all the past events, all the current event, and all the future ones. I mean, Bxie has no future, and I'm not saying it that they don't show it. So with all this uncertainty, I'm not going to buy any Bixie or invest at all. I'm not going to take profit because I mean, I think this is oh, okay. This cost around $5 maybe, and the BXS is worth the 150 BXS now they are worth around €2. So I don't care, I just put it here in the staking, and I see if this will actually take and go to the moon. I will just maybe get 20 or €200, but if not, and I don't think it is going to be, I will just lose €7, and this is something that I can lose. So these are my thoughts on Bxie Infinity, and if you think I missed something, or if you want to know something more about Bxie Infinity, just write a comment. And also, if you think that Bxie could go to the moon and be the next Axie Infinity or something like that, just write it so we can have a discussion about it, because I think that discussion and sharing ideas is one of the most important thing to do if you want to invest